XRP might gain 1.1% by May 29 per CoinLore's model. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. As of now, XRP has moved down 3.5% in 24 hours and is currently at $1.284. Let's see what the analysts predict today. According to CoinLore, $1.30 is likely by May 29th, a projected growth of close to 1.1%. Traders Union projects XRP to move upward toward $1.287, a projected gain close to 0.1%. 30 Rates highlights it potentially dipping to $1.2846, a fall of approximately 0.1%. Another analysis from Coin Price Forecast notes XRP could head toward $1.28, a decline close to 0.4%. And lastly, Coin Dataflow puts the target at $1.26 by May 29, a 2% decline. This is the highest profit potential forecast. All 5 calls are done. Let's proceed. Forecast complete. Let's turn to the probability and payoff. Looking at the entire range of predictions, the price movement could fall anywhere between a decrease of 2% and an increase of 1.1%, depending on the analyst. When everything is tallied, Coin Dataflow has the top return with 2% gain in value by tomorrow. In short, you could pocket between $1 and $20 for every $1,000 you invest. From the probability standpoint, Traders Union's forecast has the highest chance of success at 86%. Looking at every forecast, I've summarized them into one consensus scenario. Based on consensus, XRP is likely to remain flat around $1.2823. Here's what the details look like. The consensus assessment points to the price dropping 0.2%. To put it plainly, your capital might grow by about 0.2% in step with that move. If you invested $1,000, the forecast could mean $2 in profit. And in this scenario, the consensus forecast is given a likelihood of about 85.3%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. A stable path is projected by CoinLore. Also, Traders Union expects XRP to remain close to current prices, showing little to no directional momentum. 30 Rates expects XRP to fall. According to Coin Price Forecast, the market outlook is neutral and suggests minimal changes in the near term. Upside potential is noted by Coin Dataflow, who stays optimistic. Overall, the consensus view highlights XRP staying steady across the 3-day horizon. The consensus of opinions shows 60% leaning bullish, pointing to a higher trajectory for XRP. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were released. Let's see how they stacked up yesterday. As a result, the day wrapped up at $1.3076. The majority of analysts turned out correct about the direction. Traders Union stood out with the sharpest prediction. Now we'll sort out the results in detail. Only a single prediction stayed within yesterday's trading range. Speaking of ROI, some results were in profit, and the strongest gain reached 3.7%. And here's the daily recap. The full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. CoinCodex is shown with $0.042 accuracy, 81.4% forecast probability, and 3.7% ROI. See if you can spot the forecast that proved most accurate. Now let's take a moment to look at tomorrow's return expectations for XRP alongside a few other coins. In the latest forecast comparison, XRP stays below Litecoin, which projects 1.1% return. In this section, XRP is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A wider comparison can already be found on my website. And that's the end, friends. If this video was helpful or saved you time, show it with a like. See you soon!